Yes, that's exactly as it sounds. The quest for UPSC 100 plus strategies tested over 2 years and still ongoing. Maybe some will disagree, but single perfect strategy is a myth. At least in my case, and as per my understanding, many beginners are searching for a perfect strategy or a ready made strategy in which they can make some moderate changes, etc. Don't fall into this. Please don't fall into this trap. You're not giving any other academic exam. It's UPSC, not SSC or HSC, as you can copy others' timetables or strategies. Come on, you don't know who are your competition, and please consider it. What if some of your competitions are also applying the same timetable which you have also watched from somewhere or get from a particular coaching? Even if you make changes, at least 80 to 85% of your preparation is going to be exactly the same as those which are against you to grab that opportunity. I hope it makes sense now. It should be your own, which you made from scratch as per your convenience. At the end of this video, I'll show you some pictures I clicked of some of my changing routines and strategies over the period of 2 years. So basically, your strategy should showcases the power of determination, effective time management, and the belief that with the right mindset and consistent effort, one can overcome any obstacle to achieve their dreams. Okay, the more you learn, the more you realize how much still there is to learn. Can't relate more on this particular statement. The syllabus is vast. Remember, even if you give daily 14-16 hours to study without any breaks, there will still be something miss out feeling. Something is missing out. Just try to be excellent in whatever you have done or studying. That's it. Don't rush. Your strategy should be reliable and consistent at the same time. Don't be rude on yourself. Please. I'll share my experience sometime later, but I was so rude to myself during last 1 month. I will never forget this as I was only able to sleep like maximum 2 to 3 hours during last week before prelim exam. I was not eating properly. I was always in rush to study, and that anxiety, tension, can't define more. Just let it be. We'll talk about this later. So yeah. So I was saying, okay, so the idea is that you should not be afraid of taking on challenges or going the extra mile to achieve success. Strategies are going to change, sometimes monthly, weekly, or daily too. Just remember one thing, keep a track on what you have covered, and never ever change your basic idea of strategy, because that's what makes your preparation unique from others. Now you will say that what's a basic idea or basic strategy? It can be a style or technique of the way you study or the way you cover your syllabus. The way to revise, that is your strategy's basic idea or structure. Except that you can change which subject you are studying or which topic you are studying, timing for each topic, subject wise approach, timetable, answer writing strategy, etc. etc. Everything you can change except what I just said. Never ever change your basic idea of strategy. Because, see, intelligence alone is not enough. I believe that hard work is the key to turning potential into tangible achievements. Work on that. Rest will be covered effortlessly. Fine. So, here are the keynotes you have to consider before making a suitable timetable and a reliable strategy for you, which are understanding the exam, prelims, mains, and interview. Then make a study plan, same what we are talking about, and then focus on conceptual clarity. This will help you apply your knowledge better. Stay updated with current affairs, which is very important. Please don't miss out on that. Then practice writing exams, again very important. Revision is the key. Yes. Then take mock test, important. Stay motivated and consistent. Yes. Take care of yourself. I will say please take care of yourself, because sometimes it is very frustrating and challenging too. Then stay updated with official notifications. If you are studying from some coaching institutes, maybe they will provide you this, but if you are a lone aspirant like me, please consider this. Then remember, everyone has their own unique way of preparing for exam. Adapt the strategy to suit your needs and make adjustment as you go along. Stay positive, work hard, and believe in yourself. This is the mantra. Okay, so these are maybe hard to understand, but this is a glimpse of my routines and strategies. During this, I was working 9 to 5, 1 to 10, and I have done every shift in my corporate work experience. Some are EST, IST, APAC, EMEA, Graveyard, UK, PST, and whatnot. While preparing, sometimes pursuing graduation, sometimes as a full time aspirant, and also sometimes as part time freelancer too. During all this, I was preparing like every other aspirant, focus on my goal, changing my strategies whenever it's not working, and completing my daily targets. Because of this, time management. If it's not inbuilt, please try to learn this skill. Believe me, this will make wonders. So, actually, I put this again because in this single paper, I have like corrected 3 4 times by learning something new. So, yeah, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, keep working hard and stay focused on your goals. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.